Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here today. As you can see, I have this rectangle canvas. It's a 7 by 14 canvas, and I will be attempting another rainbow inspired shack rapport with a dustpan. So, last time I tried this, I had a little bit of trouble with my canvas. First off, it was a square canvas, and my canvas was moving as I was dragging, so this time I've kind of secured it a little bit more to the table, and I'm hoping that the rectangle will give a nice result. So here goes. Hope it turns out nice. So I think my favorite in this piece is the purple area. I think it came out so beautiful, and I'm really pleased about how bright my colors remained, although this was not my favorite rainbow. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!